Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, my dear students. This is 9709, question paper 3-2, May June 2018. I'm just going to give brief review about this. Get ready, have pencil in your head, and you will attempt it by yourself. I'm just giving you some hints. Hopefully, you will understand and you can do that by yourself. Let me read first question, showing all necessary working. Look, this is the question containing absolute function. There you see 2 raise x. You will suppose 2 raise x is equal to y, and then you will plug this value of 2 raise x as y in this given function, and then you will have simple equation 3 absolute mod y minus 1 is equal to y, and then square on both sides, and by squaring you will get quadratic equation. You will solve the quadratic equation, and after that whatever the value of y you get, you will plug them is equal to raise x, and then by taking ln on both sides you can get the corresponding values of x. Your values must be up to 3 significant figures as it is mentioned in the question. Now I'm moving toward question 2. Question 2 is trigonometric equation. Here you see cot theta. First of all, you will convert your cot theta in cos theta over sin theta or 1 over tan theta. It's up to you. Either you can use cos theta over sin theta, or uh, cot theta is also equal to 1 over tan theta. It's up to you which way you want to use. If you want to use cot theta is equal to tan theta, then you first calculate tan theta plus 45. You know, tan theta for tan theta plus 45 is equal to tan theta plus tan 45 over 1 minus tan theta tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to 1. You will use these values and you will see that your whole equation will come into simple trigonometric ratio with only tan theta. Then you will solve this equation, which most probably will be quadratic equation in tan theta, as you are usually familiar in paper 1. Okay, and then end of the day you will give the answer, and your answer must be in the given range, which is 0 to 180. That's it. This way you can do this question easily, I think. And now I'm going to give you review of this third question. This is differential equation. In the first part of this equation, you have to make differential equation by yourself. Look, in this question, the most important statement is the point n is the foot of the perpendicular from P to x-axis. The curve is such that for all values of x, the gradient of the curve is positive, and Tn is equal to dy dx. Now, in this question, rate or gradient or equation of the curve is not given. First, look, you have P's coordinate, and these are x, y, and from there n's coordinates are x and 0, and t's coordinates are x minus 2, because here you see tn is 2, so the coordinate of tb x minus 2 and 0. From there you can, now you have p's coordinate, you have t's coordinate, you have n's coordinate, and you can easily find the gradient of pt by using the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and that would be dy dx, and then you can make this equation easily. I don't think the curve is such that for all values of the x, the gradient of the curve is positive. So you have to take gradient is equal to this. So this way you can produce this equation. And now he is saying solve the differential equation. Solve the differential equation means you should have no term in your equation which contain dy dx. So the simple rule is separation of variables. On one side of the equation take dy and all the y terms, and on the other side x and dx terms, and then take integral on the both sides, and then apply corresponding rule of the integration. Whatever you should use, and plus c, and you will take 4 3 point and then will find the constant value, and then uh, give your answer as it is demanded in the question, expressing y in terms of x. So your y should be the subject for this equation. Okay, hopefully you understand this question. Now I'm moving toward next question. Next question is again very simple, and here you have to prove the identity. Just take left side of the equation and look. Whenever you see this is 2 sin x minus sin 2x, 1 minus cos 2x, and on the other side you see all angles are simple x.